Dr. Aaron Motsoaledi, I'm the Minister of Health from the Republic of South Africa. I have prioritized the need to strengthen family planning services in South Africa. Ironically, we have had a very strong family planning service some years back, but unfortunately, when we intensified the war against HIV and AIDS about 10 or 15 years ago, family planning seems to have been thrown out of the window. We have now recently revised our contraceptive and fertility policy, which I plan to launch publicly with a campaign around family planning before the end of this year, possibly even by next month in August. This policy addresses the full range of issues relating to contraception with a human right context, and also required that the full range of family planning methods are available at public health facilities. In order to strengthen implementation, we are developing operating standard procedures, or SOPs, for community health workers who are part of our outreach teams, for nurses in clinics, as well as for midwives in maternity units. We want community health workers to be able to promote family planning during their visits to homes, and health professionals to use every encounter with the patients or the population when they come to make use of our services to promote family planning. We also need to target teenagers in particular, given our relatively high rates of teenage pregnancy. And for this reason, we want to implement a school health program which will have a component of these reproductive health rights in order for school-going girls to have access to this type of services, so that they are not only in the community, they can also be accessed at schools. Thank you.